What's up guys, today I'll be showing you how I created these cards for the gallery on my website. We can achieve this look by creating these interesting shapes and adding abstract art into them. It's easy and makes the website look amazing, giving a nice touch to the gallery. Let's get into it. First you hit F and create a large frame and place a smaller frame inside it, and then hit Ctrl D to duplicate the inner frame. Select the larger frame and add a layout. This gives the children frames fixed positions within it. Arrange the smaller frames and adjust their size to get the arrangement that you want. Next, we'll adjust the border radius of the smaller frames. You can change the radius all at once or change individual corners one at a time. Have fun with it and try and make some contrasting shapes. You can add gradients to the individual shapes or solid colors. Just have some fun with it. For me, I'll be using some art pieces I created a while back. Now that the cards are ready, we can add them to the sections of the website. Yeah, I think this looks great. These are a few others that I ended up making. What are your thoughts?